Hello, my topic is syntax directed translation. So basically what are syntax directed translation? Syntax directed translation can be said as a bunch of grammar plus semantic rules. So if you have grammar and you add up semantic rules with them, then it will be called the syntax directed translation. So I will be telling one application of syntax directed translation, that is to convert into postfix. Suppose we have an infix operation given, that is this. It is the infix operation. So now what we have to do, we have to convert it to the postfix. How we have to do, there are some semantic rules, as you can see here, they are given, and now we have to convert into postfix expression through the help of these semantic rules. So what is the first step? First step will be to generate a parse tree through these rules. So after generating the parse tree, that parse tree will look like this. So we can either follow the approach of top-down parser or bottom-up parser. In this example, I have taken the approach of bottom-up parser. So what we will do, we will go what does the bottom-up parser do? Bottom-up parser will move from here and will come here. It will check whether it is a reduction or not. So here num is reduced to f. Yes, it is a reduction, because if num is reduced to f, what the semantic rule does? It prints the value of num. So what will be answer will be, so here 2 will be printed. So now it will go up, it will come here. So it is here plus is reduced to e. Is there any reduction mentioned in the above rules there where plus is reduced to e? There is no reduction. So it will move on. So after moving on, it will come here, it will come here. So here the num is reduced to f. As you have already seen that when num is reduced to f, then the value of the number is printed. What is the value of number? 3. So 3 will be printed here. So now after it will again move on. So here star is converted to t. So there is no rule where star is converted to t. So it will move on. So after here it will come here. So here num is again converted to f. So what is the value of num here? 4. So value of 4 will be printed. After again it will move on. So it will come now here f. F is reduced to t. Is there any reduction where f is reduced to t? Yes, f is reduced to t. So what will is printed there? It's star. So it is saying to print a star. So we have printed the star here. So now again it will move up. So it will come to t. Then here t is reduced to e. So if t is reduced to e, then what we see? It prints plus. So it prints plus. So now it will end the process. So what we have got here is the postfix expression of this string. So to clear up my explanation of syntax directed translation, I would rather give one more example. So here is a bunch of semantic rules, and here this is the given string. Our question is, what is the output printed if we carry out the given syntax directed translation on the given string? So first things first, this is a given string. So firstly we have to example, the bunch of semantic rules are given. This is the given string. Now the question is asked, what is the output printed if we carry out the given syntax directed translation on the given string? So what we have to do first, this is the given string. So according to these rules, we have to firstly generate the string. So this is the string which so this is the parse tree which will be generated on this following string. So now what we have to do, we follow the bottom up approach, bottom up parser. So what we do now, for the generating of the string, we do the bottom up parser. So what bottom up parser do, it will come from here to here. So it will so this is xx is reduced to s. We check if there is any reduction like this in the given semantic rules. So completely, as you can see, there is no reduction, so it will move on. So again xx is there, it is reduced to s. It will check, same result will be there, it won't find any reduction. So after that it will move here, s is converted, y is reduced to s. Is y is reduced to s, any reduction here? Yes, here y is reduced to s. And what is the function that it is doing? It is printing 2. So we will print 2 here. After that it will move on, here it will find z is reduced to w. So if z is reduced to w, then is there any action? No, there is not any action. But here sz is reduced to w. If we check sz reduced to w, then there is reduction, and the action is it is printing 3. So 3 will be printed after 2. then it will move on. So it will here will be xxw. So is xxw reduction to s is given in the formula. So yes, xxw is reduced to s. So what the action is? Action is it is printing 1. So 1 will be printed. Now we have sz. Sz is reduced to w. So if sz is reduced to w mentioned in any of the reductions, yes, sz is reduced to w, and then what it is doing? It is printing the 3. So 3 will be printed. Now what we have we have xx and w. So we will check if there is any reduction like this where xx and w is converted to s. Yes, here it is xxw is converted to s. What the action? Printing f. So 1 will be printed. So this will be the output if we carry out the syntax directed translation on this string. So now let me take another example where these are some semantic rules which are given, and what we have to do is this is the expression, that is 4 minus 2 minus 4 star 2. So question is, what is the value of this string when these rules are applied on this string? So we can do like we have already done, like we can like make a parse tree and follow the bottom of parser and all. But if we want like a shortcut method, then we should observe what these rules are saying. So if we follow the bottom of parser, so like this will be the first operator, so first priority. This will be the second operator minus. This will be the third. So the star will have the least priority. Now what we have to check, if this minus sign is left recursive or right recursive. As you can see, t is not giving t minus f, it is giving f minus t. So since it is giving f minus t, so clearly it is right recursive. So